Hello and welcome back to TechRoots by Roat. Have you ever wondered how a message travels across the world in just a few seconds? How you can search something online and get results instantly? In this video, we are going to understand how the internet works in a very simple way. The internet is a network of networks. This means millions of computers and devices around the world are connected to each other. Let's understand how this works step by step. When you search something on the internet, your device sends a request. Your internet service provider, also called ISP, every device on the internet has a unique identifier called an IP address. This IP address helps identify where the request is coming from and where it needs to go. Your request is then sent to a server. A server is a powerful computer that stores websites and data. The server receives your request, processes it, and sends back the response. This entire process happens in just a few seconds. Let's understand this with a simple analogy. Think of the internet like a postal system. You send it to a specific address. The letter travels through different routes and reaches its destination. Then you receive a reply. In the same way, your request travels across the internet and comes back with the information you need. Let's take a real example. When you search something on Google, your request goes to Google's servers. The servers process your request and send back the results, which you see on your screen. Behind the scenes, this process uses protocols, which are rules that help devices communicate properly. So the basic flow looks like this. User sends request to ISP, forwards it to server, processes it, to response is sent back. To summarize, the internet connects devices across the world, uses IP addresses to identify them, and allows communication through servers and protocols. If you found this helpful, subscribe to TechRoots by Roat and continue your journey into technology.